Could a piece of chewing gum help protect against head and neck cancer? Here's the background. Head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, a type of cancer in the mouth and throat, is linked to certain microbes in the oral cavity. These include the human papillomavirus, known as HPV, and two types of bacteria that are associated with worse outcomes. HPV is remarkably common. Worldwide, about 1 in 3 men carry some form of it. These microbes can drive inflammation and changes in cells that may contribute to cancer developing or advancing. So the researchers asked, what if you could reduce those microbes right in the mouth? Their approach is a specially engineered chewing gum. One version contains a natural plant protein from the lab bean, called FRIL, which traps viruses by clumping them together and blocking them from entering cells. In laboratory testing of samples from patients, a single treatment with the bean protein gum aggregated about 93% of HPV in saliva. A second version targets bacteria. It contains an antimicrobial peptide called protegrin, and in lab studies it reduced the two cancer-associated bacteria by more than 99% in patient samples. Notably, it left beneficial oral bacteria largely intact, and it's unlikely to affect organisms in the gut, since the peptide would break down in the stomach. Why does this matter? Standard cancer treatments, surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, can damage salivary glands and cause painful side effects. The researchers envisioned these gums used earlier and more gently, an antiviral gum at the earliest signs, an antibacterial gum during treatment-related mouth inflammation, and an antifungal version after radiation. Now, an important reality check. These are early-stage findings, mostly from laboratory and sample-based studies. Clinical trials in patients are still needed to test whether the gum is safe and effective in real-world use. This is a promising idea being investigated, not an available treatment, and not something to rely on for cancer prevention. Still, it's a creative reminder that the mouth's own microbes may play a bigger role in cancer than we once thought, and that prevention might come from unexpected places. Read more at medicalresearch.com.